If you're in the market for versatile, durable cookware that can elevate your cooking game, this Lodge cast iron deep skillet 3-quart deserves your attention. This powerhouse skillet has been a staple in kitchens for decades and remains one of the most beloved tools for home cooks and professional chefs alike. In this review, we'll delve into its features, benefits, and what makes it a standout product, ensuring you make an informed decision. Unboxing the Lodge cast iron deep skillet. The first impression of the Lodge cast iron deep skillet is its rugged yet elegant design. The skillet comes pre-seasoned, which means it's ready to use right out of the box. The black patina gives it a professional look while serving as a natural non-stick coating. Alongside its sturdy build, the skillet features a deep basin perfect for cooking larger meals or recipes requiring extra space. Product specifications. Material, cast iron, capacity 3-quart, pre-seasoned, yes, with 100% natural vegetable oil. Compatibility. Gas, electric, induction stovetops, oven, grill, and open flame. Dimensions, generous depth and diameter for versatile cooking. Why choose the Lodge cast iron deep skillet? Number 1. Superior heat retention and even cooking. One of the standout features of this skillet is its exceptional heat retention. Cast iron is renowned for evenly distributing heat across the surface, ensuring consistent cooking. Whether you're searing meat, frying, or baking, the Lodge skillet guarantees perfect results. Number 2. Versatility. Beyond compare, this skillet is truly a multitasker. From stovetop to oven, grill, or even campfire, it handles all cooking environments with ease. Use it to sear a steak to perfection, simmer soups or sauces without scorching, bake golden brown cornbread, deep fry crispy restaurant-quality chicken. Number 3. Pre-seasoned and ready to use. The Lodge skillet comes pre-seasoned with natural vegetable oil, eliminating the hassle of initial seasoning. This also means the non-stick surface improves with each use, creating an effortless cooking and cleaning experience. Benefits that make a difference. 1. Built to last generations. Crafted from the finest cast iron and made in the USA, this skillet is designed for longevity. Unlike non-stick pans that lose their coating over time, this skillet grows better with use, creating a legacy tool for your kitchen. 2. Nutritional value. Cooking with cast iron can add a small amount of iron to your diet, which is especially beneficial for those with iron deficiencies. This makes it a healthier option compared to chemically treated cookware. 3. Easy maintenance. Caring for this skillet is simple. Avoid soaking it overnight or putting it in the dishwasher. After use, clean with warm water and a gentle scrub. Apply a thin layer of oil to prevent rusting and keep it in peak condition. The Lodge difference. A family legacy. Lodge isn't just a brand, it's a family-run company with a rich history dating back to 1896. Their commitment to sustainability, community development, and crafting high-quality products has made them a trusted name in the industry. Environmental responsibility. Lodge emphasizes eco-friendly production practices. American craftsmanship, proudly designed and manufactured in the USA. Non-toxic materials, free of PFOA and PTFE, ensuring your health and safety. Who should buy the Lodge cast iron deep skillet? This skillet is ideal for anyone who values high-quality cookware with exceptional performance, the versatility to cook on multiple heat sources, long-term value, and durability. Conclusion. Why it's worth every penny. The Lodge cast iron deep skillet 3-quart is more than just cookware. It's an investment in quality, tradition, and culinary success. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this skillet will elevate your cooking experience. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of kitchen history. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.